Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to 2024. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today I've got for you my monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway. It is the Glamlite Chocolate Martini. Now I did get it in one of those kind of like plastic martini that kind of comes with it, but for shipping purposes it just makes it easier if I just ship this like this to you. So this one is mine. I do have a brand new one of these for you. We're going to let you know what you need to do a little bit later on in the video as far to enter it. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in its entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for the giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. Want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on this channel. And you guys make sure to check the description box under current giveaways, because there's a bunch there, including that huge one that we did for our 2,000th subscriber. Woo! And in there's a full-size Natasha Denona Glam palette, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about it, do some swatches, do 2 looks, and kind of give you my final thoughts, what you need to do to enter. So let's start by looking at what she looks like. She's got a mirror on this side, but so pretty. Love the indentations on here. You could really do like an everyday look like I kind of used today, or you can glam it up as well. So the palette is normally $35. It is on sale right now as of filming this for $15. To look on the back, it looks like it's a candy wrapper for the nutrition facts, but it lists like all the ingredients in it and everything. It says calorie 0 though. And what they say about it is, you know, we had to do something ultra special for our sweet lovers. It's always a celebration when chocolate is involved. Get glammed up for a night out with a chocolate martini palette. All the sweet shades you need to create the perfect neutral smoky looks. This chocolatey treat contains 15 rich shades inspired by fresh cocoa, vanilla cream, de cacao, and other yummy martini ingredients. This signature cocktail will easily become your go-to everyday nude palette. Okay, let's get into some of these swatches. Let's do this top row. This Vanilla Vodka is a shimmer shade. It looks kind of white here, but when I do the swatch, to me, in person, it kind of has like an iridescent, almost like a gold to white shift in it. And then if I just like look down in this light, see how it's more gold there? Irish Cream is a light peach shade. It is a matte. It's really creamy. Rich is this really fun gold shimmer. Cheers I have in the very inner corner, kind of tear duct area. It's this one here. It's a gold shimmer, but it has more of a bronze tone to it. And then Happy Hour, I absolutely love this. It's this kind of bluish purple silver that shifts. Multi-chrome action going on. And there is their top row. Okay, let's do this middle row. Livin' Lavish is this kind of orange peach shimmer going on right here. It really looks pretty copper when you swatch it. All Night is this light plum matte. De Cacao is this kind of brick matte. Erase Lit is this really light pink shimmer. I swatch it on my finger. To me, in this light, it looks more mauve-y. does have a shift in it that goes from pink to mauve. And Girls Night right here is a light matte mauve kind of shade. And that's the shades right there. Bittersweet is this light brown matte. And I have that bittersweet kind of above in the transition shade on my eyes today. Chocolate Liqueur is this brown shimmer that's on the outer third of my eyes today. Syrup is this light kind of terracotta matte. Nage I have on the inner third of my eyes today. It's kind of just a mid-tone light brown shimmer. Then Dark Chocolate, it's a brown, but it's got a little bit, just a tad bit of like a plum in it too. And that's your bottom row. Let's get into a couple of the looks. So I think I want to do for today kind of a pink purple-ish thing going on for today's look. Let's zoom in a little bit. So I am going to prime my eyes first with the Viseart Professional Makeup Primer. A little bit of that on the lids. I come up. And then I want to set it all with the Irish Cream here. Very lightly putting a little bit on my brush. I'm just setting the whole thing. Do a tap with a little bit of drag at the end. And it's going to be a really quick and easy look for today. Let's go into All Night. I want to put it into the crease and just a little bit above. I have such really, really deep eyes. So let's start with that crease. And then I want to blend, nothing on the brush. I'm just going to take my shield here and bring it out. Then I do want to take Dark Chocolate in the very outer corner, very, very lightly tapping into it. And then the same blending brush. And I'm going to go underneath and tightline Girls Night Out and then buff it out with that Irish Cream. So let's grab Girls Night Out here and pick up a little bit of that Irish Cream right underneath it, connecting the outside corner. So I am dying to play with Happy Hour right now. I can't wait for the shade. I do want it to be kind of a precise line, so I am going to wet my brush. I'm just starting with that outside corner. So it is pretty sheer. It's a lot sheerer than what I thought, at least to begin with. So let's see if we can build that up. It actually looks better with the finger. I'm getting more of a payoff with it. But it is buildable. Okay, then let's take Extra Lit in the inner third. Kind of go back and forth to get that blend. Then the other shade I really want to play with is this Vanilla Vodka. Go in the very inner corner, tear duct, lower lash. Okay, let me put on some lips and mascara and I'll be right back. My camera cut out on me, but here's the finished look. What do you guys think? Okay, I want to do a really quick, kind of just everyday look using kind of these shadows here. Let's zoom you in a little bit. On a rougher 36, I am going to go into Bittersweet here, tap it on both sides, and just kind of go into the socket here. And then I do a little bit, twist the brush over, and do a little bit above. Then I am going to go in here into dark chocolate and just put that in kind of the outer corner here. And then I just kind of want to work on a blend with that just a little bit. I think I'm going to take Christmas liqueur on the outer third and then this ganache here on the inner third of the eye. Just using my finger. A little tappy. I love using my finger for shimmers. Go into the ganache. And a little back and forth. And because it's New Year's Day while I'm filming this, let's go into Cheers here so I can get the very inner corner. And the tear duct. A little bit on the lower lash line. Okay, let's tightline that dark chocolate on the lower lash. A little flick at the end. I do want to go into that bittersweet, just kind of go underneath it a little bit. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. I kind of wanted to keep it kind of simple today just because I kind of went out with a full glam look last night with glitter everywhere that I'm still having little spots of glitter after washing my face 3 times. And so keep it kind of on the down low today. I will be right back with my final thoughts and what you need to do to enter. Secret word of the day is chocolate. So I thought that it was a really good palette. You know, you could really do actually a lot with it. You could do like a peachy look. I love, you know, you put this with this and just maybe do like this one down here. I think that would be stunning. I mean, there's actually a lot that you can actually do with it. At first glance, it's kind of like, but you can't. The dark brown was just, it was a little patchy at first, but then I was able to, you know, the more you work with it, the more you can get it to blend. The shimmers lasted a long time and I didn't have hardly any fallout on it. The shimmers, just make sure to knock off any extra on your brush against the table or whatnot and you should be good to go. So like I said, you guys are getting a brand new one of these. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. There's a spot to put on there for bonus entries. And all you do is you fill out the form once, but you mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you actually did do them because I don't want you guys to get disqualified. So your 4 extra ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. I just absolutely love it when you guys do that, and it means the world to me. When you do, it really helps the channel grow, and I wanted a way to get back and say thank you to you guys. If you do share it on your social media accounts, make sure to tag me. I love seeing those. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. I do want to draw your attention to the damaged portion. Just because it's an eyeshadow palette, I'm going to bundle it up really well, but you never know what's going to happen in the mail, and it'll go out here in pristine condition. Sorry, I messed up those dates. So it'll go through February 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on February 7th, I will come on here. We'll do a video where we announce the winner. So what I do is I take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing for that, and the bonus entries, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. Computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell it, I don't share it, I don't do anything like that. So let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know what your New Year's resolutions are. I think the one that's really sticking out in my mind right now is I want to average, because I leave a very sedentary lifestyle and I need to change that. So at least start out with averaging at least purposely walking 1 mile a day, just to start with. What are your guys' New Year's resolutions? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know if you did anything fun for New Year's Eve. I just went up to a family member's house. If you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!